Hi guys, welcome back to the KILBURN-LONG family channel. Right, so earlier in our last video and earlier today we did a shopping haul, charity shopping haul with ALDI middle aisle purchase of the week. Well, this video is on the unboxing the spray mop that I told you was only £7 on Amazon. I think it was £15 or something like that, right? But cheaper in Aldi. We checked it while I was up there, so let's have a little look and we'll unbox it and see how good it is, because as I say, I've not opened it yet. So what you get inside is a nice cover for it's Velcro. So if I open it up, you'll see it's Velcro. There we go, you can see it's Velcro. You can get more of those. They're machine washable, but you can get more of them on Amazon for £2, right? So this says on here, all right, it goes that you just add water, add your cleaning solution required, squeeze the trigger, and it's that simple, okay? But what I wanted to check, all right, here we go. It's effective on vinyl and tiled floors, is what it says. And it says that's machine washable, the Velcro piece, and the microfibers lift and trap dirt, grime, and moisture. So no bucket required. All the normal stuff with these magic mops. I call it a magic mop, but I think that's actually a brand, right? Anyway, so that's the bottom piece. It's nice and big, actually. I think we've had one of these before, and they've been quite small. Because the thing is, I don't like the ones, you know, like the flash ones where you have to put the new sheet on every time. Pain in the arse. Or pain in the bum. I hope I don't get in trouble for saying that. Pain in the ass. Right, let's check it out. Okay, anything else in here? Okay, right, so we've got the trigger handle. Alright, and we have this the main part. So I guess we just pop that bit on the bottom and stick it together. Like that. Click it in. Like that, there we go, it's clipped in. Easy enough job. And then we get the top section and pop that in there like that, and that's it. It's that simple to put together. Okay, so there. So what we'll do is we'll get we'll get the, now does this just lift out, or do you have to screw it out? There we go, just lifts out. Pop it on the floor. Gosh, you're making a right mess already. Twist that round. Get out these instructions, okay? Little instructions if you require them. We'll get some of the floor cleaner that we had earlier. Alright, we're not going to add any water to it, we're just going to pop it in. And I'm going to fill it right up. It smells really nice, this, guys. You can add water if you want, but I'm not doing that on occasion. And you can put water in as a floor out or whatever it is that you want to do. Okay, so I've filled that up. Put the lid back on. It does actually smell really good. Okay, and then what I'll do is pop it into here, I guess, like that. The right way around though, Drew. And push it in, and you see the bubbles. Alright, and then what we'll do, guys, is we'll go and test it on the floor and see what you think. Right, so we've got it all set up. Like I said, it's all ready to go. Let's push the spray button. Good coverage. Then we'll just give it a good wipe there. It smells really good. Actually, it's got really good coverage. There we go. So it's not too bad, guys. It's actually okay. Yeah, not bad at all. It does actually smell really nice. Saves carrying all the buckets and all that jazz. And you've got a good swivel action there. So that's pretty good. I mean, it's quite heavy. They talk about doing skirting boards and stuff, but with all the fluid in it, because you could sort of, well, maybe you can't twist it to do that. Do you know what? It doesn't matter. It saves having to carry all the buckets around everywhere and all that. But yeah, I think that's pretty good. Anyway, guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you found it useful. As I said, it's about £15 on Amazon, reduced at discount, or it was £7 in Aldi, so you really can't moan with that middle aisle purchase of the week for this. They call it purchase of the week, and as I say, the trigger's pretty good as well. It's quite easy to use, so it's not too bad. And anyway, I'll see you again on the next video. Ta-ra for now, bye-bye.